What have you seen during the pandemic? Your stock took a hit like just about every stock at the beginning of this because people thought you're not going to be able to go out and go to stores. You guys pretty quickly revamped and did a lot of digital shopping, bringing in tons of customers that way. Where do you see the consumer right now? What are you seeing in the stores? What are you seeing in terms of what people are willing to buy online?
Right. Well, first I want to thank our associates in our stores, our distribution centers, and of course our corporate headquarters as well. 2020 for everybody was such a challenging year, but I'm proud of how we have emerged. We had to shut down all of our stores almost exactly a year ago. It's tomorrow for several weeks. Our distribution centers continued to operate, and we met the guests where they were. And so, the great thing is we offer products that are really great for self-care, like bath and fragrance and skincare and hair care. So we were able to pivot our marketing. Our stores reopened. Our distribution centers have been at peak, operations, and we've met the guests where they are. And I feel like coming out of this, we're well positioned. I call it the roaring 2020s. I might not be alone in saying that, but we know that we need to be ready, and we will, for the guests to really come back strong. But even coming out of 2020, we feel the momentum for our business is great, and we're going to continue to be the leader in beauty retail. I would also add, I'm really excited about, I would just add the partnership that we developed with Target. We developed that during 2020. We're going to be launching that later this year in the fall. And we're thrilled. It's yet another great place for guests to have an experience, a really wonderful experience learning about Ulta Beauty inside Target. We know that's just another great way to have more points of presence for our guests and an exciting experience for both the Target shopper and the Ulta Beauty shopper.
Mary, how big of an advantage is it that your stores, for the most part, are outside of indoor malls? You're outside the malls, not in the malls, like Sephora has a lot of stores in the malls.
Yeah, we're largely off mall, which is, something that we continue to feel confident about the role of the brick and mortar store, as well as, of course, being a great omnichannel retailer. You have to do it all. But certainly through the pandemic, we went from having, buy online, pick up in store already available to curbside. It's quite convenient in an off mall location, right, for a guest to come in and pick up their orders. So we continue to see the role of both the store, which we're going to continue to build more stores for many years to come, as well as really ramping up our whole omnichannel capability. And I'm proud of how we've done that.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.